Ye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Onye kubwatari iboryo obosemya gusekero kende gyonsiguro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 07886666
Uya kigimo mwanchu muligiriri bw'Ensoko TV ngo kwariganio mu basobona hilitonyale ko batu kumanya yagendete gokorekana kurwa chinkongo anene mono tukuligiriria chi county chitu chia Gusii nense ito ya Kenya na nde mwanchu muligiriri ngote ni Chinsa isana ibiri litaliane ni Innocent Onyango. Mwanchu muligiri tugo chaka noroboti rogendete kobeya na gukina imensi ya Kenya mugabana bwe county ya Nyeri umuske Mutahi Kahiga ururo roboti rugo saba mabera maiga ye video yaye gutara so mtandao asago kwano muno bwe ikoyo igoro ya makweli umuske Raila Odinga Mutahi nigo arorekanire gagwa kambi yamono asogo kwa Raila Odinga egento atebire nigo gyochikobage koleta amagendero asaba menyi bensemo ya Mount Kenya kurwa ase serikali enene kurwa soroboti rwae Mutahi Kahiga nigo bono etigirie mirimo kuyobo konyi bw'umunyakirugo ase council y'abagabana bense ya Kenya.
Fellow Kenyans, I want to take this moment to address issues that have emanated from a vernacular clip that is circulating in social media. From the very onset, I want to sincerely apologize to our mourning nation, to the family of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, Mama Aida, her children Rosemary Jr. and Winnie, Honorable Senator Oburu Odinga and Honorable MP Ruth Odinga and other siblings and their larger extended family, the ODM fraternity and the Luo nation and Kenyans at large. And to my colleague leaders from all sides of the political divide for any harm that it has elicited. The clip was taken while attending a burial in my home village, and my remarks were in no way celebratory. What I meant is that under the current broad-based government, we have seen skewed development and politically the loss of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Odinga sent everyone back to the drawing board. As the popular saying goes, God takes the best, and it is in this context that I made those remarks in vernacular. Let me also make it clear that the remarks I made are my personal views and therefore should in no way be associated with the community's position or any political affiliation, nor the Council of Governors. Finally, in noting the huge public interest that this issue has generated, I am taking responsibility of the real and perceived meaning of my remarks, and as a result, therefore, I have decided that with immediate effect, I am going to step down as the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors. And as I do that, I also pray that the soul of the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga continue resting in eternal peace. God bless Kenya.
Mwanchu muligiri totigareta somuske Mutahi Kahiga ubasobone kiombe kyabagabana gianchire ne asobu amo kumurusi mugavana uyibwe county ya Nyeri emirimo yokoba omukonyi bw'umunyakirogo ase kiombe kyabo munyakirogo bwe kiombe kyomuske Ahmed Abdullahi nigo airire libagana inde kurwa umagombaye gochia ase yamate yanyagosira omuske Raila Odinga.
And this is a press statement on the resolutions from the special council meeting to discuss the unfortunate utterances by His Excellency Dr. Kahiga Mutahi, Governor of Nyeri County, following the demise of the late Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, CGH. Following our statement issued yesterday, we have convened a special council meeting to deliberate on the interpretation and impact of the utterances made by His Excellency Kahiga Mutahi, the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors, and the mitigation thereof. We wish to reiterate our deep disappointment on the statements by the Governor. We still maintain that these sentiments are his personal remarks that do not reflect or represent the views and the values of the Council of Governors. We therefore disassociate ourselves in toto and condemn these utterances, which were untimely, reckless, and unspeakable, especially at this time of deep mourning. In view of this, the Council has unanimously decided, the Council has unanimously agreed to remove His Excellency Kahiga Mutahi from the leadership of the Council as the Vice Chair with immediate effect. We have also agreed that in due course we will hold another meeting where a new Vice Chair will be elected.
Wanchumulili kubwatikana nechingwane chicho mugavana bwe county ya Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga, mugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay Muske Gladys Wanga uraira barayibekia magiaudium kurwe county ya Kisumu kugikilia omugavana uyu.
It is bad manners, uncouth, and unacceptable for Mr. Kahiga to make such remarks. In fact, coming from someone who occupies a respectable position of the Vice Chairman of the Council of Governors, it is utterly absurd and astonishing. We therefore demand that he immediately resigns from this position with immediate effect, and the COG cannot have a loose mouth, reckless, primitive, and irresponsible person holding such a position. He is a disgrace to the country and to the people of Nyeri County. And what I know is that Kahiga does not speak for himself. Kahiga is the spokesperson of Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua mocked Raila's illness and asked whether he was a virus and whether Kalonzo was a bacteria. To date, Rigathi Gachagua is yet to mourn Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga, who braved political tensions to go and mourn his brother, the late Nderitu Gachagua. And therefore, we note now that anyone who associates with Gachagua and his ilk, like Kahiga, cannot be our friend. The line is drawn.
Anything touching on death, he seems to take great pleasure out of. But as a community, we just want to remind him, because his memory is so short, that we have been out of government since time immemorial, but we've always been here. The only government that has given us full recognition is this of President William Samoei Ruto. And as my chair has ably said, the line has been drawn. We will not seek any friendship with Gachagua and his surrogate.
I want to condemn in the strongest terms possible the reckless statement by Governor Kahiga. And I want to say that not even the words alone, but the people who are supporting Kahiga and his team, clapping and cheering on his statement.
Tutigarita soroboti oruruo Moscow yo mugavana bwe county ya Nyeri abamenyi be county ya Kisii barure birengereri byabo kubwatekana n'echingwane echicho Muske Mutahi Kahiga muri kyoito Bethel Machini nigaumeranire na barabo na korosia oroboti kubwate.
Na jana mliona kwa vyombo vya habari kwamba gavana wa Nyeri aliweza kuonekana akisherehekea kifo cha aliyekuwa waziri mkuu Raila Amolo Odinga, na kwa sasa tunaendelea na uombolezaji ambao hatujamaliza hata siku 7 vile rais alisema. Sisi kama watu wa eneo hili tumeshtuka sana na matamshi ya gavana huyo, na tunakashifu sana hiyo kitendo kwa sababu haileti uwiano katika taifa la Kenya. La NCIC, National Cohesion and Integration Commission, lichukue hatua kwa huyu gavana kwa sababu ameonesha kwamba nia yake ni kuharibu amani katika taifa letu. Na pia tunataka kuona viongozi wote wa Kenya wakija karibu kukashifu hili tendo, kwa sababu hili tendo likiendelea hivi hatutakuwa na nchi siku za mbele. Tumekuwa na fursa nyingi huku nyuma kuhubiri amani, lakini tunapata kwamba kuna mmoja ambaye amejitokeza hadharani anaenda kuambia watu wao kwamba ni vizuri statesman mkuu kama Raila Odinga kufariki. So tunakashifu hilo na tunataka leo tuone hatua ikichukuliwa dhidi ya gavana huyo Mutahi Kahiga wa Nyeri.
The Honorable Council of Governors who are going to have a sitting today, we implore them with a lot of humility and respect that they convene and impeach one Mutahi Kahiga. Mutahi Kahiga, and I want to remind you, without in equivocation, that you are a beneficiary of death. You became a governor when someone else who was a governor by then, Gakuru Wahome, died.
Wancho muligereri wono ntaitengo ire goike county ya Kisii asomurikyo ito Dominic Ondeli ale ase skuru ye kwegeria abahorokia ase Chinsa mujiriti ya Kenya nya TTC abuni go bagendete gochengera egekoro na namono gochekera egekoro ase njere ndongera kintali yo gosali go gutwara chinkwana chiri gonyara ko bachigwatanana asa gendete kororanga ki agendete gokorekana mwancho muligereri tiga mbeke Dominic Ondeli asembeo nyara ko bagatatebinke gendete kurwa senseme Dominic totebinke gendete senseme
Togera bugi maiga county ya Kisii asaboni gatobegete kambi maiga stokwachira masemo yoranga litikeriga niyo bagocengera igekoro kya barokiko babo watakana neko ukometakana kwa barokiko aseskureiga asabona tobate abarokiko kurwa Chinsa agaiga asensi ya Kenya na experience ya Kenya gochagaiga ase college ya Kenya gotoka gaiga ase bunge ya machogera bu gaiga ime county ya Kisii Nyoranga uyo minto tagendera koretera nirobire igaiga kuwachira mas makuru asaiga asebono tonya ko batakonyorana na baroki wabange na baroki abange abagotorokira batebinga asebakorunga yare na asebakoruna kiare na asebakoruna kibago chingira igikoro kyabo Nyoranga ainari agasena komenta asomorembe gaiga asensi ya Kenya kirabon turigereti kakege chikura na andake abange banyarko bakwegokeria na manoko manyase igikoro kyabo asali tikeri arata chikuba toko baretera mange kumanyanga narariya bagocengirana narariya yagenda takurugaiga ase eskuru yiga Nyoranga abaroki barase eskuru yo bakuru ase county MS ya Kenya asabachiri tikeri gocengera mas makurugaiga na intumune gataseni kyago nambe mugiye soko TV ntobegete kambigaiga okoretera amange irinyarko bokoranga narariya yagenda takurugaiga na andake narariya bagocengera kurwa ase semega chigatiga mareta omorokyo yomo gega ase college ga ya Kenya nyarko ba ogotebinga nero teletomorobere nyarko batenga litikeri kibago cengera na andake inkego segeta ase abarokia beskurega karibu mwalimu mtana kyoko kwa siri ya karibu
biamono sana omoralia ntengo rugujara di saboko bill dene tamangana ya culture activities na college litukeri togo sherekea ase ugo sherekea chi tamaduni tribes bago tenga bago dress bago rugenda ya baragera nende baorokia chitale nende so komanya kwamba college yetu wata wanafunzi from all over Kenya from all tribes the 42 tribes boss no wale college no wana bako nyara kuorokia amangana kurwa jibisa kwebya wao kirege nduna bago kora no kole kwireme abana uwe kubali sana litukeri n'abarimu n'abarabo bakwego sana senge njoli tukeri Ministry of Education neli tuko imanyire na all colleges gutwara bale cultural day asenge njoyo kwa award ya imisa kubiriko koramaya asekurwa Chinsa cyabo banya kwa egisa award trophy certificates na bana bonse ba participatory they are given certificates above all asenge ncho tole asomo design the curriculum design ya CBC abana awarded marks nende tuatoma marks to the Kenya National Examination Media. Tunawashukuru wote na wanafunzi wote, mkifurahie sana katika siku hii ya leo. Asanteni sana.
Biyamano oyo minto innocent yose gasene kwigwa oyino moro kya wiskuri ya Kenya Teachers College igaiga asenseme ikekotoko tenga tukochira emasemo sagaiga na tatunyore aborokia oyomo anyara komo tateringa gikeri bago chengera babuna anda keneli kiri ko basomi asebitikirigerero karibu mami tunakuitaje
naitwa Faith
Chepkoech, karibu sana ndani ya Nsoko TV. Na tumeona hapa mmeweza kuperform, mmepiga traditional dance yenu kidogo na pengine unaweza tuambie ilikuwa inatuonyesha nini?
This song is usually performed when a lady and a gentleman get in love. The parents side from the girls and from the boys side come together. They bargain about the bride price. Then, when they kuna mafuta huwa inapakwa, they exchange bado. Then a calabash is taken, wanakunywa nayo. That one calabash is unity, right?
Asante sana. Hiyo mi innocent kile kwa nyare kwa goko igwa yonsi ayigo ko kiringa ngonyora kare baba basoma ninga gekoro na kyo gwanchane bwa ire kare ko kare kere gwanchane buri bwa kare andake kire to chikokora yo minto innocent tarachikombo tara yo minto yo motenete ekyo bekya bagusi anyara ko ba abo kutemina Amayia. Iyo minto karibu mwaka na kyo
Asamari tangoro komogaka Samuel Mobeli Kenya TTC Uchino yo mo waba musiba riba kare yodokora kigikoro kietu Itikoria rero gotore pochengerenga inkia bakoro baito bagakorire kurukare amatera chindagera kiregento igotokora kigaiga atenene diamono
Iyo minto kwanyara kuba bagatenga atenene igagochira mase bakurugiga nabasigisi mbanyara ko bagatenga kungoi missing Igo asiritkiri ari na baro che matara batevinga gekoronga erokamano oyo mintinya ko tokoretera amange nyoranga no torbegete kambigaiga Chinsa Ikomi tinya ko tokoretera amangane gasenchira yo bwinge ense yemona ensa ya isato tinya ko tokoretera amangane gasenchira yo bwikira no kurgaiga ase college ya Kenya Teachers College nyoranga nicho yo mino Dominic Nderi nyabutuna ngasa niko beke kambigaiga na ningere ko tokoretera amange biyamono tengere ndi bagasore ase studio biyamono
Yamono yo minto Dominic Ondeli na gwatebire na arore babozanga lewa baikira abunta eteko manyanga ngurugesa kukibakorwa asenchire yo yobikiranu mulikito Dominic Ondeli ora ase Chinsa chirichia Kenyanya ase aborokiewa osaborokia bayandate guchingira igekoro asenchira bwikiranu ikiombe kya Bateresa me county ya Nyamira inse yo muliki Bernard Kerosi nigo kiarura matuko 14 guchi ase county ya Nyamira inse yo mugabana Amos Nyalibo gwikirania magani yabo ayibo igwananete omutinyo gatano tigango toigwe mulikyo ito senseme ya Nyamira Steven Bunde niganyara kabago kwane ya maseyamo na Bernard
magani ki mwagane
okay
oda
hello
no nabato wacha kaningo igwete
mbiyango no moralisti asa marieta ankoro kwa Bernard Kerosi igondo mo secretary Kenya National Union of Nurses and Midwives oro sayo Nyamira Seiga mangana tokora la mikira go sel to tago kirinaro tu aletira se media ne linga ntu abwato ko igwana ne county government ya Nyamira kero tu abwato mugomo ke omutenyo gatano mwaka 2025 asa mangana yechi promotion yo wakana nurses areas chiabo ya kurumaega chia goetera sechi promotion na boigo abateresa mbali bali getu abageni abanyia batana gwakanwa kibesa chiabo tokora areas yeme shara aseme kinyange Ikomi na mangana nda amanga ayali ma return to work agreement iyo ntokia bere kyogo itane mono na sesi abali getu abaya mba korete metinyi goika Ikomi batara akanwa bono asoko bwatana oko agreement iyo itwa igwana netenga goikera omotienyo yo Ikomi no bari gwakanwa areas kiabo chionsi komenta na bali bande areas kiarenge senenje ki promotion kiabo baetu lakini batana gwakanwa areas ipesiri pugo kiasogete bono kitabwati areas ikyo nogo ichamia kororon koringa ani abande bari bagakanire kibesa gweterengera bamanyaine bone kagera tukarete inganeye akiagera bachandikire sana n'ekibesa kinyinge omuntu ang'eki kwamba kobe milioni ya omuntu county government eko omuntu ang'e emilioni
Mwanchu muligari tutigaritase county ya Nyamira museneta bwe county ya Nyamira musika Kongo mugeni nigo agikiria serikali ya Kenya kwanza sogutaikira ni mirobeli ya yabwikiranu gochia asaba na inchi niga ya kwaniraya meye ward ya Busamaro ekera aikirana asama tangayamo
director esamangana yichai na eto goja to bakibiranya njo muntu manyetora duyo mugusi ne president ya nyano goroku William Samoei Ruto ekera ile to president monyolete ga tetanga nikichukua Biblia niweke chini, mkulima atakuwa na pesa wapi? Mfukoni. Takuwa nataka vile. Ero monyene. Lakini wona iga nero gotususura mono. Lichi goliria munya derege na wako batenga. Lichi goliria nyorete lia munya. Lia begete li goliria chae ngandi gunse. Wetani eji dora ibe. Ege ndege tanga ni akorete no koliru okoliru. O manega to derege. O mondo go chenjiri chike na tu anjite na bale mintu. O ino mondo tatu anjite. Bona asia nyorete to kuliera 40 bono gatoreterete baka 13
Mwanchu muligari na abarundi bechipikipiki begetase ni gya St Jude's imeyo muchobo songo bachakirie kiombe yokobeke nibo asobo amwe eliogo kinia obugima bwabo mulikyo ito Caroline Mausa nigaikirana na konyororo botiriko bwati
leo tuko hapa sisi kama wana St Jude kwa ajili ya kuronji hizi tent zetu na viti, ndio maana tuko hapa siku ya leo. Tumekuja hapa kwa sababu ya welfare. Welfare ndio kitu ya muhimu imetunganisha katika stage yetu. Sisi kama wana St Jude tunaomba ya kwamba tukaweze kushikana mikono na tukaweze kusaidiana kwa wenzetu ambao watapatana na msiba yoyote kama ni ugonjwa na vitu zingine na kadhalika. Ni sisi kama viongozi katika hii munisipa yetu ya Kisii, sisi tunataka kuwa kielelezo mwema. Kuna viongozi ambao wametutangulia lakini hakuna kitu imewaifanyika, lakini kwa saa hii tunaona tuko na vitu ambavyo tunaweza sema ni project kama stage. Tumepiga hatua, kama tumepata tents, tumepata viti, tuko na system, sasa tunafikiria mambo na ash.
Asante sana kwa ile kushirikiana, tunashirikiana hadi mwisho. So tunaomba tu mwenye ako na nia nzuri kuja kwa wana bodaboda aweze kutufika karibu pia na ingishe mkono wake.
Endesha bodaboda, please make sure uko na driving license. Kitu kingine uwe na insurance. Sana sana tukiwashika hizo ndizo tunawashtaki nazo, si ndio? So ni vitu viwili muhimu.
Mwanchu muliri togo soka isiko yense ya Kenya na gosoa sense ya Tanzania banyanyimbo bense ya Tanzania bamubikire byaro mokonyi wiki amagya Chadema John Heche maiga yoko ile na kurwa sense ya Kenya ekera na matanga yomuskera ila Odinga Heche nigo asogete kurwa sense hii ya Tanzania litukulia jomosi lakini ekarekana asomubaga niganyarite ko baga gwochererwa nabono iga mwanchu muliri omusiko yo Heche niganyarite ko baga kubeku byara na abanyanyimbo bense ya Tanzania.
Nani pada kule?
kirabu mwachumuliri twikiro mweli wa Amayia Chinsa chiabona mugaso na namono nindoche abangi bali mu atubwatira sense mu mtandao asebwango igatika ndara soma Nigeria kirubali kire for sure is not good at all as by the words of Kahiga he said may the legend continue resting in peace until the second coming of Jesus Christ and continue strengthening the family at this difficult time. Atebambi yamono na namona goteba chingwa na chumuske Kahiga nchialenge chingia na asanya yale goteba muskera ila Molo Odinga agarare buya moncho murigeri kwa niaba yige kosi kionse twabwatera naso gukurigereria na kororanga twagwikiranirie Amayia se Chinsa chiabona mugaso ngwere buya go chiase Joshua Nyauma uitwabwatera nere nabo igo Toldi Jontes Kibati nabo igo Debora nero no alinge na Diana B sensemeli ya kabire studio lietalia Innocent Onyango nande konyorora Amayia Chinsa Ikomi kurwa ase umusaki witu nande